Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to introduce a new tool, the Zip Helper, an embroidery folder analyzer. Go to the menu, choose Apps, and select Zip Helper. Just drag and drop your folder into the pink section where the Browse button is located. As you can see, the tool analyzed the folder and opened it, allowing you to see which files are inside. I used a font to test it, so it shows 6 subfolders with different sizes. I'll select the 1-inch folder. I'll select the format that's compatible with my machine. I'm choosing the PES file. Now I'm able to see the entire alphabet in my desired size and format, and I will download only the file I want to use. As you can see, the files I selected are now in my Downloads folder. And that's it! I can start using the files right away, no sorting through folders, searching for individual files, or dealing with zip extraction. And that's it! See how easy it was? It's completely free, no sign-up required, fully private, it doesn't share, save, or track your files, and there are no limits on how many times you can use it. Enjoy!